wish to make a statement on a significant data protection breach.
Thousands of Afghans were secretly relocated to the UK after a data breach put them at risk of reprisals from the Taliban. The breach and subsequent relocation programme were made public this week after a court injunction banning their disclosure was lifted. In 2022, information relating to nearly 19,000 people who worked for the British government prior to the Taliban takeover in 2021 was accidentally emailed to someone outside of the government. The list also included information relating to people's family members. In August 2023, the UK's Ministry of Defence, the MOD, discovered part of the dataset had been published on Facebook. The incident is one of the worst security breaches in modern British history. The government, then led by Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's Conservative Party, sought to keep the breach a secret using the legal system. In September 2023, a judge granted a super injunction, which is an order banning not just the disclosure of any details, but the existence of the order itself. The MOD argued there was a real risk that the Taliban did not know about the dataset, and if they learned of its existence, they would take steps to kill or injure those named. In April 2024, the government set up the secret Afghanistan response route for those judged at risk of reprisals by the Taliban as a result of the leak. That scheme has now been closed. This year, the MOD, under a Labour government, applied to have the injunction lifted, which happened on Tuesday. A UK government review concluded there was little evidence of intent by the Taliban to conduct a campaign of retribution. It also said that while killings and human rights violations were still happening in Afghanistan, it was extremely difficult to determine the causes of individual killings or detentions. UK Defence Minister John Healey said 4,500 people had been relocated on the secret scheme as a direct result of the leak. But more than 16,000 people affected by the leak had been relocated to the UK as of May this year, though some of those had come under existing schemes. An unnamed government official said the overall cost of the leak was estimated at around £2 billion, or $2.7 billion.